Hello everyone, this is Adam Vincent coming at you for APD1 term 1308. What you're looking at is actually my UI. It hasn't really changed at all from last week. The things that I'm thinking about changing is this will actually happen. It's going to be a view library button up here so that you don't have to go back and then hit this button to view the library. It'll just allow you to do it from each side, from inside of each view. Make it a little more streamlined that way. Because when the camera is finished, it drops back down to this view. Well, might as well just give you a view library button as well. So that's what's going to be worked on for the final. That and just making sure my UI is cleaned up and is going to format correctly on both the 3.5 and the 4-inch screens. As soon as I can get my roommate's iPod Touch back that still has iOS 6 on it, I will actually be able to show you the working application from the iPod Touch. I'll take a picture and it'll go to the photo library under the correct document, that kind of thing. So stay tuned for that. My phone is actually upgraded already to iOS 7 and can't test on it right now, so I didn't feel like dropping it all the way back. So and it doesn't work on the iPad very well, just because you've got to code the camera slightly different for the iPad is what I'm reading. So I just didn't feel like having to deal with all that. This app is actually meant to be for an iPhone, not necessarily for an iPad. So that's kind of where I'm sitting with this right now, and I will be back shortly with a camera view of what's going on the actual device. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're back. Roommate just got home with her iPod. So here you go, right here. We'll see if we can get it centered. And right there is iScan. So we're gonna tap it, and it opens up. Well, for the best that you can see it. So this is what it actually looks like on an iPhone 5 or an iPod Touch 5th generation. It's got the little gap in there. I've actually figured out how to do it, so that update is going to be on my final project. So this is what it looks like right now, and we're going to demonstrate the application. I'm going to go into the receipts view. So there you see it says scan document. We're gonna see if I can find my finger. There we go. So it activates the camera button. We snap a picture, captures it, gives you the option to edit it and scale it. So we'll edit it and scale it a little bit, and we'll hit use. So it has now gone into the library, where we can go in there, and as you can see, there is something that says receipts. Open it up, and there's the picture I just took. So you see how that works. I'll do it for one more. So we'll hit cancel, go back to the application, and let's take a picture of a personal document. So there we go. We'll find that. Camera works. Take a picture. We'll use it. And when you go back to the library, there's something under personal docs. So yay, it works. So that is it for me for the week. My final is going to have some pretty major updates that I've already been working on since I was waiting on the iPod Touch. So we're just going to showcase that next week. Going to be adding a view library button to every one of the views, and I'm also adding a custom document view where you can actually name your document type, and it'll save it that way. So that's what's coming up next week. Stay tuned.